Yo, what up, Dell? What up, Enrique? Boom, 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 boom. Tune, 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 tune. What's crack-a-lacking? Making some money. Yo, what up, Flip? What up, Horizon? Oh, just growing accounts. Morning, Nasdaq. Nasdaq. I always say Nasdaq. Nasdaq. Let's see if I can do this. Let's see if I can do this. $23. Pretty much, Enrique. Ruan. Oh man, I'm messing that name up. Ranva? That's a rough one. What up, Discipline? Inside day today? Probably. I mean, you got to think we were up, 11%. I mean, a little pullback and probably stay within the candle, I would assume. CPI looked decent. Yo, what up, Trading Star? You're welcome. I try to put out good content for everybody. We absolutely crushed it, though. Like, I'm done. My funded futures is up. That's all up. My XFA is up 1454 today. And then this one's locked in. Pass this account and then flip these two. So these two will be funded tomorrow, pro accounts. Made a lot of money today. Made a good amount of money today. And that's with them messing me on the news candle this morning that I wanted to play and I couldn't play. What up, Jay Styles? Yo, how are you guys all doing today? Oh, I gotta. I am toying with something, and I don't know if I'm going to do it or not. But I'm going to put out the poll to see if you guys would want it. Past the 50K? That's solid. Dude, I threw my black shirt on. I'm basically trading like a ninja today. Bro, I made so much. I don't need to trade a fucking lick the rest of the day, Sean. I could walk away from the computer and be fine. Besides all this, I slammed my XF. Oh, this one I got up. This one I slammed for 1,500 almost. I am chilling. I'm just making sure VWAP is really where VWAP's supposed to be. Yo, Sean, also green. All funded accounts, green. Green. No, I needed to trade one more day. I needed to flip. So I flipped it. I flipped the 2 accounts today. I flipped this one and this one. I didn't have 5 trading days. You know how you got to get 5 trading days in? So I had to flip these 2. And even though this one's over, I'm going to have to flip it tomorrow. So I'm not going to get that one tomorrow. I'll get 2 tomorrow, and then I'll get 1 on Monday. Did you check in the dashboard to make sure you have all your days in also? Just wondering if you got all your days in. I also hooked up my Ninja account. Hooked up the old Ninja account for some real world trading, I guess. Oh, it's about a reset? Dude, I emailed them while we were playing poker and asked like what the deal is. I haven't heard back. I'm just looking. I'm looking at my email. Nah, I haven't heard back. Dude, that's so weird. So what you reset it and it's just not giving it to you? Yo, Dell, he's still short. I don't know what he's doing because we just popped 187 points. What up, Akash? Not gonna lie, I got the other half of that massive hero. I can't wait to eat that for lunch today. Yeah. I don't know. I'm sure they'll get back to you. I would email them every day, Sean. Just say, hey, man, just checking up on this. Every day. Yo, what up, Racer? What up? Yo, by the way, if you guys want to play poker, we play poker at night every once in a while. Wow. There seems to be quite a bit of votes for people to come on live that are in the chat. I might do that. Some of the people are in the chat who are obviously, I would say, have at least taken a payout. I might have them come on live if they want to just hang out. We'll do like a day where we bring somebody on and see how it goes. I think Sean on first if he wants to. I gotta figure it all out. What up, Pascal? Yeah. Well, just freaking. I thought about it last night actually while we were playing poker. We were just shooting the shit, and I was like, ever since going on Top Step, I'm like, man, it's kind of cool having another person on. Maybe not every single day, but once a week you do like yeah, I'm on Streamlabs. I've done it before. I see the button, it says add guest. But yeah. Maybe once a week, bring somebody on that. Chad's DMing me right now to bring Marie on. He's like, bring her on. But yeah, I don't know. I think we'll give it a shot. I got to. I'm not going to be streaming from my home computer next week. I'm going to be on that other computer I set up. So probably not there, but I will do it here. A break? It's hard to walk away from just ripping it up. It's hard. Chad will be donating money into the stream if Marie is on. All of a sudden, he just starts hitting the freaking super chat. He needs a handbrake. Dude. But yeah, I don't know. We were just shooting the shit during poker, and I was like, man, that would just be cool to do it here. So I'll do it. Probably not next week, but the week after. I guess the person would just need a camera and a microphone. Obviously. But it'll probably be the afternoon stream also. Makes more sense. Oh, shit. I'm going to let's see if I Wait. Why is there five? I got out. Why is there 5 fucking accounts going? Hold on 1 second. Hold up. I got out pretty much even. Why is there why is there so many accounts that were on at once? Oh, geez. It's only supposed to be. It's yes. This one's not supposed to be there. That one's not supposed to be there. My bad, guys. I got out because it was copy traded in too many accounts. Accounts that weren't supposed to be there. How am I trading in this mess? I just keep making money. What up, Massey? Invite Top Step TV to come on over. I don't know if those guys actually trade. Do you know if like I don't know if those guys trade, do they? Like I'm talking about like Andre and Nick Dolby. I don't know if and like that other older guy that comes on and talks about stuff. Like I don't know if they trade. They might just be hosts. I don't actually know. I don't know what the deal is. I mean, obviously, you need on-air personalities as a hosting thing, so you don't have to trade. It's hard trading if you're hosting all day. But I was just kind of curious. I don't know. I don't know if they do. All right, so now we're at this bottom orb right here. I obviously got out of my short 20 points ago. Andre occasionally does. Okay, I didn't know. Oh, Dolby trades too. Okay, that makes sense. They're on air all the time, so I didn't know if that's Well, this sucks because I was in it, copy traded too many accounts, and now I'm out of it. Should have just freaking went for it. Messi, short it here? I can't short it here. I'd love to see them bring it back up, retest this trend line, and then roll it over. That would probably be the best. What up, Garen? Come on. Are you not going to give it? I can't believe that freaking happened. Yo, what's so wild is it's just like this is a 150-point drop in 10 minutes. If we got a 150-point drop in 10 minutes like 3 weeks ago, everybody would be like, what's going on? What's going on? 150 points is like nothing right now. It's nothing. I don't like that we're stochastics are turning up right here. Boom, 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 boom. Come on. Are we going to get over? Pull it up a little bit and then down? I can't short it here. I mean, yo, with 40-point wicks, yo, you ain't kidding. Come on. Keep going. Okay. That was $100. $100, baby. Oh. Yeah, I was green. Now I'm red. 100 tick stops are just not enough today. Yeah, you ain't kidding, man. Scotsman. Wait, 5-minute has the 3-bar reversal? Where do you see that? I don't see that. Look, you had the 3-bar reversal at 3 a.m. on the 15. The last 3-bar, actually, you had it right here and you had it right here. I wouldn't have played it right before CPI, but that's actually a really good one. Hiking, Hadouken. That's all I think of. I think we're going to get a little bounce. Dude, if you never thought about that, Dell, now you're thinking about it. Hiking. Oh, man. I got impatient and was punished now. I was just waiting for it on the silence, but added a new take profit funded. So not a complete loss. I mean, if you got a new take profit funded account, I mean, that could be a ton of money. Dude. These people just keep calling me. Hadouken. Hiking. Design knob. We're going to 18,363. Listen, I agree with that statement, though. I said it yesterday that, like, today was either going to be down or we were going to, like, be up today, and then it's going to come all the way, like, not all the way back down, but it's got to backfill a little bit. You can't just go up 11% and don't think you're going to backfill. They're pushing it. I want to set up an alert on this, actually. 3-bar reversal. This is how you set up alerts, by the way. Are you shitting me? I click, oh, I'm going to have to redo this whole panel if I want that. Just want the alerts, man. Hit me with the alerts. 3-bar reversal on the 5. And then I'll set the, why can't I, oh. Nothing working here? Oh, baby. They want me to I'm gonna have to. Oh, I'm gonna have to redo all my. I don't know what causes that. Add alert on 3. Uh, 145% on. Wait, Trump just said that right now, PG? Did he just say that right this minute? Is that breaking news, or is that like news out earlier? Oh, that was earlier? Okay. What does he just keep raising it every day? Does China keep raising theirs also? Is that what it is? Did China raise again last night? I mean, he just wants China to come to the table, is what he wants. That's all this is for China to pick up the phone and call him and say, what are we doing here? China doesn't really buy much from the US. They buy like grain and like soybeans. You know, China doesn't buy much from us. So when they start like tariffing us, it's not really like a big deal. Yo, Dell, Transformers. $324 is the 5. Ugh. Mike, have you ever watched the documentary, The China Hustle, by any chance? Everybody in this room should watch The China Hustle if you have not. It goes into the Chinese economy and shows you how there's a lot of smoke and mirrors going on. J&J out here, I am an iron mine closed yesterday because of the ore was specifically selling to China. Dude, that's crazy. Yeah, Mike, it basically goes into how like the factories have nothing going on until like investors go there, and then people start working to show that it's working. And once the investors leave, like the next day they shut the thing down. And they build these massive cities and no one lives in them. They're ghost cities. But they keep building to keep the economy going. It's wild. So either this is exactly where we're going to bounce at like a nice double bottom, or they're going to flush the shit out of this thing. Nope. Bought soy from Brazil, bro. I don't know which one. Let's see if they flush it out. Yeah, I do feel bad for the U.S. farmers. I do, because they got nothing to really do with it. Yeah, they just keep doing all these. China keeps doing all these projects just to keep the economy going. This is risky as shit, though, because we're right at support. I might just get out fucking even. I'm out even. This candle I wanted to see push through, and it wasn't. If I get back in, I'd get back in at 97. I want to see what it does when it comes back up to the 9. Yo, Funded's in the house. What up? Yeah, Oliver, we smashed. We smashed today. Big dog style. Not only, I mean, we're up. I'm up everywhere. Like, I got 3 accounts here that are all 3 funded accounts are up. My XFA is up 14. That's up. That's up. It's just up. It's just fucking up. I don't. So up. Yo, I might do it. I'm thinking about it. I'm letting the people speak. I'm not going to be home next week. I'll be streaming from somewhere else. So obviously I can't do it next week, but we were playing poker last night and I thought about it. So I mean, we're moving around a lot. We're definitely moving around a lot. That I would say. Yo, I just got the 145% notice. I guess it's just starting to hit people. I got stopped. I thought they were just going to drop it. That sucked. What's up, Kava? So Funded, we play poker almost every night in the Discord, just hanging out on voice. Everyone's on voice. So we just kind of shoot the shit at night. And that's where we were talking about it. No one gave a shit. What up, Amir? No one cared one bit. That was I forgot, to be honest with you, about the FOMC minutes. I don't even know if it moved it. I don't even know if it moved the market. But yeah, I'll just put the link in here. This is where some of us hang out at night and shoot the shit and all types of stuff. Dell usually sets up poker. Yo, poker glitched and I was up 330,000 last night. But I will say, I got to like 16,000 before it glitched. Because I took Sean out and he had like 7,000 or 8,000 and he had 9,000 and I had like 7,500. So I got to like 16 or 18,000 before it glitched. Yo, but then it kept giving me all the winning cards, Dell. It made me win like 8 times in a row, no matter what. That was wild. What up, Mama Tick? Yeah, it was crazy. Dude, the fact that they only gave me the winning hands was amazing. I didn't have to do anything. I just went all in every time. So my day job took a shit in one of, oh man, chat's cruising. My day job took a shit and one of our companies is closing, so I'm trading full time now. Oh, that sucks. Bluffed them with the old 272 offsuit. What's up, Marie? How's trading today? I am definitely smashing it today. That's what I was saying, that this was either going to be the bounce point or the absolute flush. Dude, you're the one that set it up. I didn't set it up. They probably saw you as the lead person. That's the first night I won though, Dell. I don't think I've won before that. It obviously glitched out. The fact that you guys couldn't see cards and I could see the cards. Yo, what up, Oscar? What's going on, man? Yeah. I'm glad somebody did. It's a massive move. It's a 100-point move right there. Yeah, Oscar, we're killing it over here. Yo, if Marie plays and she's on voice, Chad will be there in 5 seconds. What up, 205? Yeah, Chad will be there in 2 seconds. Marie's on. I got to go on. Yo, what up, Corey? Oh, there's a point system? I didn't even know. It carries the point system over each night, Dell? Is that how it works? Dude, I didn't know that. What up, Trading Star? What's happening? Just trying to make some trades and make some money here. Hey, Scotsman, that's a big one. That's a big win right there. Everyone wants to meet Ray. I thought Ray was in here before. Yeah, caveman. About bringing like any members that want to trade live with me on like I don't know, a random Thursday. They'll come on for like an hour, and they can introduce themselves. They can talk about their trading. Shoot the shit. Trade if they want. I believe. I don't know if they could share their screen. That'd be on them, but they could talk about all types of stuff. Yeah, BK, you don't need 4 micros. Yeah, that's some good trading right there. McConaughey. There's a picture of Ray in Discord. There's a picture of Ray. His Discord picture is him, I believe. Let me see. I'm not going to bring it up on the stream, but I'm pretty sure that there's a picture. His picture's on his thing. Is this the trap? And then we're going to push through all the way up? You're a little, it's all good, man. What time? This chart is a 1 minute chart. I have the 5 there. I have the 5. This is the 15, and this is the hourly that I look at. You got a pivot point at like 476 could be interesting. Got a little 3 bar. The problem with the 3 bar reversal is we were already going down. So woo, they just let it go. They let it go. Damn. Hey, Garen, if you hit a good winner, man, just stop for the day. No need to keep trading if you don't feel good. Oh, this is looking like – this is not looking pretty, I can tell you that. You got to remember, though, we were up 11% yesterday. So if we give up 5%, we're still up. Yo, Dell, did you take it, though? Did you play the crossover and take it or no? Would you? You got short, Scotsman? I was going to get short. I was going to get short. My stop out would have been right up here. Come on. My bias is to the downside. Without a doubt. Yeah. Solid. Super solid, man. Hey, that's all you. I'm not hitting the button over there. You're hitting the button. Oh, are they going to let this go? The biggest problem here is if I get in, my stop has to be like, my stop's got to be like almost 60 points above, 50 points above. I think they're just going to sweep this. Oh, this is going to be crazy, actually, right? Hear me out. They're going to sweep this thing. 74. If they sweep this, I'm taking a long at 74. See what happens. I don't know if it's going to come back in. Obviously, if I knew, I would play it. I'm just looking for the initial balance sweep, and then we come back through, possibly. But if we get too far away, I'm probably out on it. I don't want just the flicker. I want to see it trade through. See, like if you would have just got in on like this little flicker in, you get caught. I'm not looking to get caught. I want to see it actually trade through. Rates continue up. Oh, Code, you're looking at 580. What? The come here. We're starting to turn up. Seems like the selling is kind of gone. Let's see what happens. If I get filled, my stop will get moved to the bottom of the candle. Dude, otherwise this is going down to 476 maybe. Thing's hanging in there. I'll be honest with you, there's no buying. I'm out. There's just no buying. I wanted to see a bounce by now. The fact that they're not bouncing it to me just kind of seems like no one's interested in buying this right now. You know, you might get a little bounce, but I think we're just going to. The ultimate would be we do get some type of bounce here, maybe up to this volume imbalance at like 75, and then we come back through it and sell off. That would be kind of what I would want to see at this point. Yo, you can't trade yen on Apex anymore. What they do? Get rid of it? I thought you could a while ago. I thought they had it like a while ago. Dude, this thing's got no bounce. No bounce, and for some reason I'm blurry. No idea why. No idea why I'm blurry. Yo, you only got 3 minutes to enter it. So if you don't enter it, actually, this is shitty. That was so shitty. I'm out. I didn't realize we were right by 500. I'm out. I'm out. That was stupid of me. So fucking stupid. There's no meat on the bone. I got in, and I didn't realize we were 10 points away from 15 points away from 500. That would probably get a bounce. Yo, what up, Kron? Well, who else is in here? Truth 21's in here. What's going on? Yo, this is where I get to see who's hanging out in the room. Yo, the Lord's in here. Kevin's in here. You guys say what's up when you come in. I don't even know. I can't see that you're in the room. What up, Walter? Yan. What up, Luca? I don't know why I'm blurry. So weird. Dude, they're just unloading this thing. What's up, Vicious? Enchanted's in here. What up, Bob? I'm just literally just cycling through, trying to Breakout Crypto Prop Firm has daily payouts, so I'm giving it a shot. Is that a real name, or is that a joke? Because it kind of sounds like a joke. Is that real? Dude, I saw that they have sports betting prop firms now. Sports betting prop firms where they'll give you money to bet sports. And if you hit a certain level, you then go live. Crazy. Dude. But yeah, I saw sports betting. I saw, dude, they got like prop firms for whatever. I've only seen one do stocks. Oh. I'm not going to get filled there, am I? Oh, I don't want to chase 20 points, 25 points. Is this the bear flag break? Is this the break? I don't think so. I think there's a huge space that needs to be filled down there. Wait. What is that? Noel, what is what are you talking about? Like a gap? A gap fill? Smart money. $85 is for the 250s or 300s, and 125s are for 150s and below. I activated 8 accounts yesterday. Yeah, I think we're gonna go lower here. Yo, do you need thumbnail guy? Not a gap, but a buyer. I'm very cautious at 18,500. I'm just saying. That's why I went in and out for $70 real quick. If you were gonna bounce a spot that big, besides a round number, the 500s, you would think there'd be a bounce. So I'm careful around here. Look at the hour chart. I think we're going to go to 830, 334 and bounce off the hourly pivot point. That's also right. Yeah. Oh, dude. 470 is the pivot point right here. You think we hold 470? No, I know, but you think we hold 470 pivot point? Or is this just another bear flag? That's right at the fucking pivot point. I don't know if I'm staying in. I wanted to see under. Under. There's a pivot point right here at 470. So I got out $60. I'm in wait and see mode. I'm in wait and see mode. If they're going to bounce it, it's a good spot to just bounce it here for 470 ish. Gold is ripping. I'm on the wrong contract now. GCK. Dude, which one is it? GCM. Damn. Dude, that's a lot of money, man. Each dollar on a mini is $200. Yeah, no, I know it's GC. I was wondering if it was JKM. Is this just not holding? I mean, in theory, this just broke the pivot point. So see what happens. Come on. Oh, give me one big fucking push under this candle. One big push under. Flip this shit red. Go. I took $77. Oh, that's what I was looking for. That. Yeah. F me, man. F me. Fuck. That was it. 20, 30 point move further. That's $300. I was in five micros. Oh, that sucks. I mean, I made money, but let's be real. Like, instead of $77, I should have made like 300. Ugh. I mean, honestly, I don't see any reason to go long right now. I would like to see a bounce back up, though. Maybe up to 530. And then short at like 530-ish. Oh. This might be the bounce back up. It's a big old green bar. I am not playing long. I have zero. Honestly, for me to be like, oh, I'm going to start looking for longs. Like, we're going to have to be over like 555. Oh, that's on the 5. My bad. Probably should have just followed this 3 bar right here and just freaking took it down. Dude, look at something's going on. Look, it just keeps turning the dark theme off. 474. I'll take a long right here. Is this just another bear flag, or are we going to go back up to 525-ish? The only reason I took this fucking long was we broke back over the pivot point. We put in a nice hammer candle. Oh, it just literally flipped everything I liked. I'm out. Oh, shit. I just double-clicked too many times. Fuck me. That was an accidental. Oh, I knew that was going to bite me. I accidentally clicked the fucking mouse an extra time. I got out of what I wanted to get out of. Come on, you going to bust this thing down or what? Holy shit. Stopped. All right, at least I got out of. It doesn't look good. I just think it needs an actual bounce. An actual bounce. Yo, you know what I need to trade? Yo, what up, Fred? Oh, yo, design nod, man. It's getting freaking bad. It's getting bad out there. I got to trade my Bullnox accounts. I only have traded them for like days. Yeah, I mean, that's why I'm trading 3 micros versus 1 mini. And it's still, these are massive. Like if you got any one of these candles 3 weeks ago, you'd be like, oh, that was a massive candle. This looks so fucking bad. It invalidates above 63, though. Yo, Bullnox never gave me my... Yo, I passed a bunch of accounts with them, and they never gave me my funded. They never gave me my account.
Slow computer.
Oh, this thing's going to slow computer me. Dude, it's just stalling.
Slow computer. Slow computer.
Dude, that was a quick 140. Dude, I can't do this with my fucking thing. Yo. Just watch out. Yo, that's all it is some prick to tell me my computer's slow. I'm running too many things. That's Rhythmic Trader Pro. Come on. You're just about to hit the buy button? Ugh. Yeah, I could change his voice to say free longs. Am I just going to give this back? Fuck me, man. I just realized I got to contact Buellnox. Like, yo, where's all my accounts I passed? I mean, this is looking, you know. See this, though? I think we're going to roll. I think it's going to really roll. I don't think it's done. Man, I think we got a ways to go. What up, cats? What up? A Bullmax promo? Dude, they have no promo right now. The best deal is 45% off. $45% off. It's not even worth buying. Nobody wants to go with smaller size, man. Yo, Profit P. Awesome. Yo, Poker, you love going short. You should be up a ton today. Oh, you're over in South Africa? Dude, I wonder why they're not allowed to give you an account over there. I wonder what the deal is. Every time we bounce, we just sell it. Every single bounce is just sold off. I had one left. The micro I put on a sell last night run would have passed the challenge right now. Yeah, it would have. I mean, honestly, look, I mean, that was the trend line break. It was so funny because when we broke it, I was like, oh, we're going to bounce up and I'll short it. And we never bounced up. Never bounced up. Baba, I don't know if this volatility is going to go away for at least a couple weeks. I would say at least a couple weeks here. I mean, I don't know. I mean, there's just so much tariff talk, all this stuff. There's a lot of talk going on. Yo, if you have a Take Profit Trader Pro account, you could just go in and just hold it. That's what makes the pro accounts nice. And then you can take all the money out in day one. Yo, what up, Alfred? I'm about to eat a freaking a spicy Italian hero. Dude, there is no bounce. There's no bounce. There's not even a little bounce. Guys, if you're in a funded account, this is where you got to exit. We're at the fight. You can't trade my funded futures or Top Step. Yeah. Ugh. You know, I just thrown it out there. Are the Italians offended by me eating their spicy hero? They love it. They want me to just take big old bites of it. See how much I can get down. I mean, they got to give you one of two things happens. Either they give you a bounce or you get a real quick sell-off and then they bring it right back up. What up, Alcy? Whew. Freaking tired. Tired. I don't remember seeing Take Profit Trader have that rule. Take Profit Trader has like no rules. Take Profit Trader is literally, there's no rules. There's no rules. There's daily payouts. And they have no activation fee right now. Apex isn't running any deals. So if Apex isn't running any deals and Bullnox isn't running any deals, I mean, this one's literally the best. It's them and My Funded Futures. But My Funded Futures has consistency rules. There's no consistency rule with Take Profit Trader. Damn, CT. What up? What up? You at work? They're dead. They're locked in my basement. The intraday drawdown stops. Once you have a funded account, the drawdown stops at 50,000. So if you keep going up, the drawdown doesn't keep going up. Oh, CT, I crushed it. These are all my funded accounts over here. I did 1454 in this XFA. This XFA did almost $400. And then I passed another account today. Yeah, absolutely crushed it. I'm exhausted and I am starving. All right, guys, I'm jumping off. I'll be back at 2 p.m. I got to eat something. If you want to support the stream, use the code below, Cove Trader. Also, before I jump off, here's the link to I don't even have it. Actually, in the description of this video, there's a link to our Discord where everyone hangs out. Poker gets played at night now. So if you want to play some poker and hang out, I'll put the link in right now. But I'll be back at 2 p.m. in 2 hours. Don't trade at lunch. Your portfolio could take a punch. Just remember that.